Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time zone and the time. So first of all, let's tap on those switchers to turn off those automatic options. And now we can freely tap on date and change the date just by swiping and tap on it to confirm, let's say. Then the time, just tap on it and swipe to the desired time, and it will be immediately applied on the status bar. Moreover, you can change the time format. Right here we've got the option time format, so you can either use the 24-hour one or 12-hour format. Just tap on the option and it will be immediately set. However, even though we can change the time format, we cannot change the date format. So here we can also change the time zone. Just tap on the time zone, and here we've got the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Of course, it will affect the time. Here we've got the dual clock, and basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device is allowed to display two different clocks. Then just tap on the switcher. The first one is from this time zone, so from the time you've set, either automatically or manually, up to you. And the second one is from any other place in the world. You can just tap on it, you can search for a city and then set the time, and your device will show it to you. And then you can also decide where you want to display it, so you can display this on the lock screen, home screen, or both. It's totally up to you. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.